Your spine straight. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in. Hold it there. Om. 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 Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Om Shri Saraswatyai Namaha. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Samasta Jana Kalyane Niratam Karunamayam Namami Chinmayam Devam Sadgurum Brahmavidvaram Sadgurum Brahmavidvaram Yo antah pravishya mama vachamimam prasuptam sanjeevayatyakhila shakti अन्यांश हस्तचरण श्रवणत्वगादीन् प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यं प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यं हरिः ओम् श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओम् अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजानन महर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे ॐ श्री महागणपतये नमः गुरवे सर्वलोकानां विषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलं स्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवमुपास्महे श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः उमाकोमलहस्ताब्ज सम्भावितललाटकम् हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्रजं वेट्रिवेल् मुरुगनक हर हरो हर भूतनाथ सदानन्द सर्वभूतदयापर रक्ष रक्ष महाबाहो शास्त्रे तुभ्यं नमो नमः स्वामिये शरणमय्यप्प कोमलङ्कूजनं वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परं ब्रह्म भासतां पुरतो मम सायंकाले वनान्ते कुसुमितसमये सैकते चन्द्रिकायां त्रैलोक्याकर्षणाङ्गं सुरवरगणिका मोहनापाङ्गमूर्तिम् सेव्यं शृङ्गारभावैः नवरसभरितैः गोपकन्या सहस्रैः वन्देऽहं रासकेलीरतमतिशुभगं पश्य गोपालकृष्णम् आनीलश्लक्ष्णकेशञ्ज्वलितमकरसत् कुण्डलं मन्दहासस्यन्दार्द्रं कौस्तुभश्री परिगतवनमालोरुहाराभिरामम् श्रीवत्साङ्गं सुबाहं मृदुलसदुदरं काञ्चनच्छायचेलम् चारुस्निग्धोरुमं भोरुहललितपदम् भावयेऽहं भवन्तम् श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्द नाम संकीर्तनं गोविन्द गोविन्द मोक्षाब्धि सारमय भागवताख्य दग्धो नारायणीय नवनीतमहो गृहीत्वा मायामयौघ परितप्त जनाय योगा नारायणावनि सुराय नमोऽस्तु तस्मै गंगा गीता च गायत्रपि च तुलसिका गोपिका चन्दनन्त सालग्रामाभिपूजा परपुरुष तथैकादशी नाम वर्णाः एतान्यष्टाप्य यत्नान्यपि कलिसमये त्वत्प्रसाद प्रवृद्ध्या क्षिप्रं मुक्तिप्रदानीत्यभिदधुरुषयस्तेषु मां सज्जयेथाः हरये नमः गोपिका जीवनस्मरणं गोविन्द गोविन्द श्री पोन्नुगुरुवायूरप्पने शरणम् आनन्दचिन्मयने शरणं चोटानिकर भगवती अम्मये शरणं नारायण अखिलगुरो भगवन् नमस्ते. Pranams to the Lord. Pranams to all the Mahatmas in tonight's Srimad Narayaniam session. We are on this beautiful phase. Now, last 5 are remaining. So today we'll enter the 96th one. Again, very beautiful topic. It's all Bhagavad Vibhuti Varnanam that is coming, all the glories of the Lord. Again, on what all we can meditate. Everything is Lord. Now there is no doubt about it. I hope you all have joined the meditation session. Those who have joined, I hope you all are doing it. As we progress, keeping the scripture in hand, it would be nice if you would, those who have not joined, to join and do it, so that somewhere, whatever little bit our learnings are there, that can get strengthened. Okay, let's enter the 96th one. Where are my kids? Ready? Anika? त्वं हि ब्रह्मैव साक्षात् परमुरुमह्यन्नक्षराणामकारः
त्वं हि ब्रह्मैव साक्षात् परमुरुवमहिं महिमन्नक्षराणामकाराः
उरुमहिमन्न परम उरुमहिमन् अक्षराणाम् परमुरुमहिमन्नक्षराणामकारः
परमुरुमहिमन्नक्षराणामकारः
तारो मन्त्रेषु राज्ञा मनुरसि मुनिषु त्वं भृगुर्नारदोऽपि
तारो मन्त्रेषु राज्ञाः मनुरसि मुनिषु त्वं भृगुर्नारदोऽपि
प्रह्लादो दानवानां पशुषु च सुरभिः पक्षिणां वैनतेयः
प्रह्लादो दानवानां पशुषु च सुरभिः पक्षिणां वैनतेयः
नागानामस्यनन्तः सुरसरिदपि च स्रोतसां विश्वमूर्ते
नागानामस्य नन्तः सुरसरदिदपि च स्रोतसां विश्वमूर्ते त्वं हि ब्रह्मैव साक्षात् परमुरुमहिमन्नक्षराणामकारः तारो मन्त्रेषु राज्ञामनुसरसि त्वं भृगुर्नारदोऽपि प्रह्लादो दानवानां पशुषु च सुरभिः पक्षिणां वैनतेयः नागानामस्यनन्तः सुरसरिदपि च स्रोतसां विश्वमूर्ते.
I hope now Gita chapter 10 is coming in front. So this is similar like Gita chapter 10. So Tvam hi, Bhattatari ji is saying to Lord, Tvam hi Brahma eva hi sakshat. You are that Sakshat Brahman, not Brahmaji, not the Brahmadev creator, the supreme truth Brahman. You are Sakshat Brahma only, Param Urumahiman. So, Param Urumahiman, Urumahiman is the one who has got Mahima, glory, Uru, infinite glories. So, that is address. O God of infinite attributes or infinite glory, Aksharanam akaraha. Amongst all the alphabets, you are karaha. Aksharanam karaha. So aksharanam and akaraha, not makaraha. Okay. Ma has gone aksharana. Balance is a. Karaha. Taraha mantreshu. So amongst all the mantras, mantreshu, you are Omkara. Then Radnyam Manu Asi. Radnyam, amongst all the kings, you are Manu, Swayambhu Manu. Then Munishutvam, amongst the Muni, you are Bhrugu and Narada. Then Danavana Prahladaha. Amongst all the Danavas, amongst all the Asuras, you are Prahlada. Pashushucha Surabhihi. Amongst all the cows, you are Surabhi, Kamadhena. Pakshinam Vainateyaha. Amongst all the birds, you are Vainateya, Garuda. Naganam, amongst all the Nagas, you are Ananta, Ananta. And Anantaha, Sura Saridapicha Srotasam. Amongst Srotasam, amongst all the water bodies, rivers, you are Sura Sarit. Sura, God. Sura Sarit, the flowing from there, from heaven, which is Ganga. O Vishwamurte, you are the entire universe. Tvam hi brahmaiva sakshat paramuru mahiman aksharanam taro mantreshu radnya manurasi munishu tvam bhrugur naradopi prahlado danavanam pashushu cha surabhih pakshinaam vainateyah नागानामस्यनन्तः सुरसरिदपि च स्रोतसां विश्वमूर्ते. Yes, Arjun, ready? Second one. ब्रह्मण्यानां बलिस्त्वं क्रतुषु च जपयज्ञोऽसि वीरेषु पार्थः.
ब्रह्मण्यानां बलिस्त्वं क्रतुषु च जपयज्ञोऽसि वीरेषु पार्थः.
भक्तानामुद्धवस्त्वं बलमसि बलिनान् धाम तेजस्विनान्तमम्.
भक्तानामुद्धवस्त्वं बलमसि बलिनान् धाम तेजस्विनान् त्वम्.
नास्त्यन्तस्त्वद्विभूतेर्विकसदतिशयं वस्तु सर्वं त्वमेव.
नास्त्यन्तस्त्वद्विभूतेर्विकसदतिशयं वस्तु सर्वं त्वमेव.
त्वं जीवस्त्वं प्रधानं यदिह भवदृते तन्न किञ्चित् प्रपञ्चे.
जीवस्त्वं प्रधानै यदिह भवदृते तन्न किञ्चित् प्रपञ्चे. ब्रह्मण्यानां बलिस्त्वं क्रतुषु च जपयज्ञोऽसि वीरेषु पार्थः. भक्तानामुद्धवस्त्वं बलमसि बलिनान् धाम तेजस्विनान् त्वम्. नास्त्यन्तस्त्वद्विभूतेर्विकसदतिशयं वस्तु सर्वं त्वमेव. त्वं जीवस्त्वं प्रधानै यदिह भवदृते तन्न किञ्चित् प्रपञ्चे.
Brahmanyanam balihi. All Brahmanis means those who are reveling in you and the devotees. You are Bali. Bali is our Mahabali. Tvam kratushu japa yajnaha. Amongst all, kratu is yajna. Among all the yajnas, you are japa yajna. Okay. So tomorrow, meditation audio, you will hear one small japa that what Dhruva was been asked to do japa, we will be having that. Mhm. Japa, without japa, we cannot. We'll have to do a japa also. Slowly, you are adding one by one. We have to add one by one. Japa yajna. Then, Veereshu Parthaha. Amongst all the Veeras, all the courageous ones, you are Partha, you are Arjuna. Bhaktanam Uddhavastvam. You are amongst the bhaktas, amongst the devotees, you are Uddhava. Then Tvam Balamasi Balinam. Amongst all the strong people, you are the strength. You are the strength of the strong. Then Balina. Okay. Dhama Tejasvinam Tvam. Of all the Tejasvis, you are the Teja. Amongst all the brilliance of all, you are the brilliance in that. Then Nasti Anantaha. Nasti Antaha. Nasti Antaha. Nasti Antaha Tvad Vibhutehe. Tvad Vibhuti, your glories. Antaha Nasti. There is no end for your glories. Vikasat Atishayam Vastu Sarvam Tvameva. Whatever is shining and seen in whatever object is seen, Vastu Sarvam Vikasat, whatever has been shining and seen, Tvameva. You are only everything. So that phone and laptop in front of you is also Bhagavan only. Then Tvam Jivaha Tvam. So you are the Jivatma also amongst all the. Then Tvam Pradhanaha. You are also the Moola Prakriti. You are also the Jivatma. Yadiha, in this word, Bhavadrute, Bhavat Rite. Rite means without. Without you, Tanna Kinchit Prapanche. In this universe, there is nothing which is not you. Everything is you only. So those who have done today's meditation must have realized that. We covered that. Even in yesterday's, we covered that. Did anybody guess what was in today's meditation?
Purusha Sukta.
Yesterday's. Today? Purusha Sukta was yesterday. Today?
Virat Purusha.
Yes. So what was it? Where
Cosmic form.
anybody located where it was? What was the chant about?
Yeah.
Nobody located? Anybody?
Studied in Bhagavatam.
Now in Narayanyam, Dashakam
Narayanyam.
6.
Yeah.
Dashakam number 6 it was chanted. Dashakam 6 and we meditated.
14 lokas. 14
Yes.
lokas.
So I was looking for the answer Dashakam 6. 14 lokas and all we did. But where were those mantras from? What were the chanting, the verses? What was the Sanskrit reference? The Sanskrit reference was Dashakam 6. So I've realized in meditation group, not only Narayanyam, other people are also there. So if I'll say Dashakam 6 and all over there, the mood will go off. Because that first is repulsion. I don't know Narayanyam or I'm not interested in Narayan. So I'm not able to refer everything out over there. But when we'll come back to our group, so for these 21 days, the group is Narayanian meditation. Beyond that, it will go for other groups. Eknathi Bhagavad meditation will come, Gita meditation will come. So many other things will happen. So in those times, in those groups, I will talk. But now it's a Narayanian group. So go back to that meditation again. Do it with Narayaniam in mind. You can keep the book also open to hear it first. And you can do repeat. It's not that only once only you have to meditate. You can meditate several times. You can hear it again. You can hear throughout the day whenever you get time. Yeah, so it is Dashakam 6. So now when it said, no, everything in this world, there is nothing but you. Bhavadrute tanna kinchit prapanche. So we know because we have meditated on that. The point I wanted to say, that in that the second six, already the entire, even Patal and Rasatal and everything is Bhagavan only. So it's not that even hell is also Bhagavan, that is saying. What we mean, whatever is there, Bhavadrute, Kinchit Prapancha. Prapancha is not only earth. In this whole thing, in this whole universe, God alone knows how many earths are there. God alone knows how many galaxies are there. And we are what one speck also, we are not in that. But our egos are bigger than so many big galaxies. What to do? ब्रह्मण्यानां बलिस्त्वं क्रतुषु च जपयज्ञोऽसि वीरेषु पार्थः भक्तानामुद्धवस्त्वं बलमसि बलिनां धाम तेजस्विना त्वम् नास्त्यन्तस्त्वद्विभूतेर्विकसदतिशयं वस्तु सर्वं त्वमेव त्वं जीवस्त्वं प्रधानं यदिह भवदृते तन्न किञ्चित् प्रपञ्चे. Anish, ready? Oh, how I love to see you in this vastra. धर्मं वर्णाश्रमाणां श्रुतिपथविहितं त्वत्परत्वेन भक्त्या
धर्मं वर्णाश्रमाणां श्रुतिपथविहितं त्वत्परत्वेन भक्त्या
कुर्वन्तोऽन्तर्विरागे विकसति शनकैः सन्त्यजन्तो लभन्ते.
कुर्वन्तोऽन्तर्विरागे विकसति शनकैः सन्त्यजन्तो लभन्ते.
सत्ता स्फूर्तिप्रियत्वात्मकमखिलपदार्थेषु भिन्नेष्वभिन्नम्.
सत्ता स्फूर्तिप्रियत्वात्मकमखिलपदार्थेषु भिन्नेष्वभिन्नम्.
निर्मूलं विश्वमूलं परमहमिति त्वद्विबोधं विशुद्धम्.
निर्मूलं विश्वमूलं परममहमिति त्वद्विबोधं विशुद्धम्. धर्मं वर्णाश्रमाणां श्रुतिषु पथविहितं त्वत्परत्वेन भक्त्या कुर्वन्तोऽन्तर्विरागे विकसति शनकैः सन्त्यजन्तो लभन्ते. सत्ता स्फूर्तिप्रियत्वात्मकमखिलपदार्थेषु भिन्नेष्वभिन्नम्. निर्मूलं विश्वमूलं परममहमिति त्वद्विबोधं विशुद्धम्.
Thank you. That's lovely chantings. The kids make it sound very easy. Within first few minutes only we will finish 3 verses. Then for the next 3 verses we'll take so long. So nice. Thank you. Okay. Dharmam varnashramana shruti patha varnashrama. We know what are our varnashramas. Varna is what? Brahma, Kshatriya, Varna, Shudra, Vaishya, that is Varna. Ashrama?
4 again. Grihastha,
Grihastha, Ashrama, Brahmachari, Grihastha, Vanaprastha, Sannyasi.
Sannyasi.
So these Varnashrama, Shruti Patha Vihita, prescribed by Vedas, the duties of all these Varnas and the Ashramas. There is certain, yes, in a company we have got, everybody is not a boss, everybody is not a sweeper. There is some hierarchy in any of the company for it to run. Government, there is a hierarchy for it to run. House also there is something for it to run. Village also. So anything, the hierarchy is not superior or lower, but it is the division of the work. Who can do what work better gets that role. So this Varna is in that sense, Varna, that we should be proud of, that we have such a system so that the society stays together. Ashrama, The study time you must study. At marriage time you must marry. Not even after grandchildren are born, also sitting in the grahastha attached. What will happen to my son and what will happen to my grandson? Let your son take care of the grandson. If they ask question, answer. If no, engage in your sadhana only. So Vanaprastha need not necessarily be going in the forest. You stay at home, but need not meddle into everybody's job. No? Let them handle their roles and responsibilities. To let go is very tough. We think our authority in the house will go. Nothing happens. And sannyasa again, mental sannyasa. Fine. Ask also happy, didn't ask also happy. Status of happiness should not inside suffering and outside showing, okay, I'm like this. That will also not work. So, as prescribed by the Vedas, Shruti Patha, Vihitam and Nihiti. So, Vihita we did just now, right? Shastra, Vihita, Ahara. What does a Shastra say? So, like that. So, what the duties have been told as per the Dharma Shastra, as per the Vedas of Varna and Ashrama, Tvat Paratvena Bhaktya. Offering those duties means doing those duties as offering to you with the devotion. Kurvantaha, those who are performing like that, antaha virage, inside they will develop one viraga, one dispassion. And vikasati shanakaihi, shanai we know, slowly. Shanakaihi gradually increasing, vikasati, and then santyajantaha labhante, giving up also these duties will happen. So initially we will need the rules to follow the rules, and then by following all the rules only, by doing all the karmas only, inside some change will happen. That inside change will be in the form of a detachment. We will work, but we will not have attachment. Earlier, you are working for the fruit of the action. Now it is changed. Whatever is the fruit, it's okay. I have done my best. So that automatic viraga, it grows gradually. And then once we do that, then we are out of duty also. Then we are no more bound for any performance. If we have elderly parents now at home, we don't expect them to look after us. They did. Now we take care. Whether they do their morning puja or not, nothing. We don't do, they are there for we take their blessings and we don't expect also anything from there. We take care of elderlies. What duty? Duty is for us now. Correct. So they outgrow also. Then we have always heard Satchit Ananda. Satchit Ananda is said in a different way now. Satta Spurti Priyatva. That is the nature of Bhagavan. Satchit Ananda. Satta is Sat. Spurti is Chit. Priya is the Ananda. Satchit, Satta Spurti Priyatvatmakam. You are like that. And Akhila Padartheshu Bhinneshu Abhinnam. So all the things, this is your nature. You are of the nature of Sat, Chit and Ananda. And Akhila Padartheshu Bhinna. All the things are Akhila Padartha, all the things Bhinna. They are different. And last word is Bhinneshu Abhinnam. And Abhinnam is also the same. Things might look different, but it is same in all things. Their existence, their things. So they are the same thing. They might look different, but they are same. And you are Nirmoolam. No, before that we should go for the next word. Then the Nirmoolam I can explain. You are Vishwamoolam. For all these things which look different, but basically they are the same, but they look different. And you are Vishwamoolam. You are the cause of all this. You are the Moola. But how are you? You are Nirmoola. You have no cause. All that we see in the world has a cause, that is you. That you are Vishwamoola. but you are also nirmula. There is no cause for you. Param ahamiti. Paramam is supreme. Aham iti, I am iti. Tvad vibodham vishuddham. This vishuddham vibodham, clear knowledge. So, let me get this clear knowledge. So, by understanding or how you are, the clarity in me would come. One is our Krishna, whom we love, whose eyes are like this, whose flute is like this, who is doing Ras Leela. On other side, that same Krishna is this cosmic form, who's having head in above Satyaloka and the feet below Patalaloka. Entire whatever is covering between all these 14 bhuvanas is also Krishna. Then mountain and the river or the stone or he is also Krishna. So you are the cause of all these things, but you are that causeless. Like this, the clear knowledge will come into me. Now I know theoretical, but when I meditate on you like this, my viraga, virakti would happen, clarity, minds, cobwebs will get clear, and I will gain this knowledge. This knowledge will become mine, that what I see is you. Now I see a table fan, like that only I see. A mountain, river, tree only I see. I see duality. But with meditation on the supreme form, I will see that oneness vision. I'll get that. Dharmam varnashramanam shrutipatha vihitam tvatparatvena bhaktya kurvantontar virage vikasati shanakai santyajanto labhamte satta spurti priyatvatmakamakhila padartheshu bhinneshva bhinnam Nirmulam Vishwamulam Paramahamitik Tvad-vibodham Vishuddham. Yes, for adults to do. So, Manaji, let us start with you. Number 4. Jnanam karmapi bhaktisritayamiha bhavat prapakan tatra tavat. Third ending.
ज्ञानं कर्मापि भक्तिस्त्रितयमिह भवत् प्रापकं तत्र तावन्
निर्विण्णानामशेषे विषयैः भवेत् ज्ञानयोगेऽधिकारः
निर्विण्णानामशेषे विषय इह भवेत् ज्ञानयोगेऽधिकारः
सत्तानां कर्मयोगस्त्वैः विनिहितो ये तु नात्यन्तसक्ताः
सक्तानां कर्मयोगस्त्वैः विनिहितो ये तु नात्यन्तसक्ताः
नाप्यत्यन्तं विरक्तास्त्वयि च धृतरसा भक्तियोगो ह्यमीषा
नाप्यन्त्यन्तं विरक्तास्त्वयि च धृतरसा भक्तियोगो ह्यमीषाम् ज्ञानं कर्मापि भक्तिस्त्रितयमिह भवत् प्रापकं तत्र तावन् निर्विण्णां नामशेषे विषय इह भवेत् ज्ञानयोगेऽधिकारः सक्तानां कर्मयोगस्त्वैः विनिहितो ये तु नात्यन्तसक्ताः नाप्यत्यन्तौ विरक्तास्त्वयि च धृतरसा भक्तियोगो ह्यमीषाम्.
So now in this verse we get to the three Jnanam, Jnana Yoga, Karma, Karma Yoga, Bhakti, Bhakti Yoga. These three paths, Tritaya, these three paths over here, Bhavat Prapakam, Bhavat to you, Prapakam to reach you, Tatra Tavat. So over here, these paths are there to reach you. Tatra Tavat, in that, Nirvinnanam Ashesha Vishayah. Nirvinna is who is not attached. Ashesha, without anything in balance. Vishaya, to any Vishaya. One who is not attached to any of the Vishaya Rasa. Sense organs are not attached to sense objects. Who is like this? For them, tatra tavat, in that means, tatra tavat means in that what jnana, karma and bhakti yoga. In that, the one who are detached from all the vishayas, bhavet jnana yoga adhikaraha. They are the eligible people for jnana yoga. Those who don't have any attachment, for them there is jnana yoga told. Saktanam, those who are having asakti, those who are having attachment. Karma yoga is the way for them. But how to do karma yoga? Tvaihi vinihataha. All the actions are offered to you. So those who are having asakti follow karma yoga marga, but mind karma yoga not for watering minus and minus, but it is lowering our ego and offering it all our karmas to the Lord. Then, na atyanta saktaha, na api atyanta viraktaha. See, third line, last word. Na atyanta saktaha, not so much attached. But na api, but also na atyanta viraktaha, not dispassion also so much. And tvai dhrita rasaha, having interest in you, having devotion to you. Bhakti yoga hi ayamisham. So amisham, bhakti yoga, for these people, bhakti marga is good. One who are attached, karma yoga, offer to the Lord. One who are detached, jnana yoga. One who are neither attached nor detached, somewhere in between, but have some bhakti here and there, devotion to God, some belief is there. Bhakti marga is good. Bhakti yoga is good. All three will not go without jnana, we know also. Jnanam karmapi bhakti stritayamiha bhavat prapakam tatra tavat nirvinnanam asheshe vishayah bhavet jnana yoge dhikaraha saktanam karma yogastvaihi vinihito yetu natyanta saktaha napyatyanta virak नाप्यत्यन्तं विरक्तास्त्वयि च धृतरसा भक्ति योगो ह्यमीषाम् अमीषाम् भक्ति योगः Larikama. My page is stuck. Number 5. ज्ञानं त्वद्भक्ततां वा लघुसुकृतवशान् मर्त्यलोके लभन्ते
ज्ञानं तद्वद्भक्ततां वा लघुसुकृतवशान् मर्त्यलोके लभन्ते
तस्मात् तत्रैव जन्म स्पृहयति भगवन् नाकगो नारको वा
तस्मात् तत्रैव जन्म स्पृहयति भगवन् नाकगो नारको वा
आविष्टं मां तु दैवात् भवजलनिधिपोतायिते मर्त्यदेहे
आविष्टं मातु दैवात् भवजलनिधिपोतायिते मर्त्यदेहे
त्वं कृत्वा कर्णधारं गुरुमनुगुणवातायितस्तारयेथाः
त्वं कृत्वा कर्णधारं गुरुमनुगुणवातायितस्तार येथाः ज्ञानं त्वद्भक्ततां वा लघुसुकृतवशान् मर्त्यलोके लभन्ते तस्मात् तत्रैव जन्म स्पृहयति भगवन् नाकगो नारको वा आविष्टं मां तु दैवाद् भवजलनिधिपोतायिते मर्त्यदेहे त्वं कृत्वा कर्णधारं गुरुमनुगुणवातायितस्तार येथाः.
Very beautiful verse. So then we will, by knowing this verse, we will begin to value our life and not waste on some stupid things that we've been doing. See what it says. Jnanam tvat bhaktatam. Jnanam, knowledge. Knowledge of what? Knowledge of the Supreme. Knowledge of the Brahman. Tvat bhaktatam, or devotion to you. Tvat bhaktatam va laghu sukruta vashat. Laghu is easy. Sukruta vashat means because of some past janma you have done some good deeds. So because of that sukruta vashat, martyaloke labhante. You got life over here in martyaloka, on this earth. Devotion to you or jnana will come very easily if you have some past life punya, sukruta. Sukruta you've done somewhere past, and that's why this life you can become a bhakta or you can get a knowledge. Tasmat. Therefore, atraiva janma, having getting birth over here only. Janma, spruhayati, desire. Who? Bhagavan. Oh Bhagavan. Over here to get birth is desired. By whom? By Nakagaha, Naka, Swarga. By the people in Swargas or Narakova, or by people of Naraka who lives in Naraka. Heaven or the hell, the people residing in the heaven or hell, therefore want Janma Spruha Iha Iti. They desire to be born over here. Why? Because in this planet, to get knowledge or to get devotion to the Lord is laghu, is easy. Then, next, where it went. Avishtam. Avishtam matu. Mam tu, who I have entered, what? Daivad. Luckily, I have got this life. Bhava jala nidhi potaite. Bhava jala, this samsara as a bhava sagara. Potaite. Martya dehe. Now I've got this body. This body, very luckily, to cross this ocean of Bhavasagara. Tvam krutva, tvam will come later. Gurum karnadharam krutva, Guru will become the boatman, and anuguna vataitaha tvam. Anuguna vataitaha means you will become that wind which is in my favor to push the boat in the correct direction. Tvam anuguna vataita. You will give that push, that wind in the right direction, and that will tarayethaha. That will make me cross. Means we need we got the boat. Boat is over here, our body. The body's boatman would be the Guru. But Bhagwan's Krupa will be the wind to push the boat forward. If that is in the right direction only, then the ocean would be crossed. It is otherwise, if the wind is not there or not in a correct direction, what will happen? So all these favorable things have to come together, then only I would be able to cross. When? Now, having got this body. So if gods in the heaven are going to desire to be born on the earth, because Lord is achievable over here, and Lord is not achievable in Swarga, then how much precious body we are. So we should not lose this time. We should not do some mundane, stupid things. We should engage our mind in the Lord. In whatever actions we are doing, we have to bring it via Lord. Cooking via Lord. Serving husband, children, wife via Lord. They are seeing Bhagwan Guruvairappa in through all. There won't be any space for hatred in the mind. Some cobwebs. We have so many things. One particular relative is there whom we don't like. One particular in-law will be there where our anger comes. One particular, our own children, will be favorable and unfavorable. Especially if there is a son and daughter is very far away, son is who's the 1 year, the son only will not be liked. So much curses on that son. Okay. That daughter who is very far away, no, that only will be favorite one. But in her house, we should go and ask her mother-in-law, is she favorable or unfavorable? There we will know. But we are stuck into these stupid things, okay? We are not purifying only our thoughts. Because it has been told from generations, okay, in-law like this like this, we accept like that and go. We can change. We can change the script whenever we want. But we hold our ego, no? That's why we don't change the script. No need. Now, since we are these Narayaniam students, we can change the script in whichever way we want, all directing towards Guruvayur. Whatever comes in between, we can cancel it and change it. Our path is towards it. So if anything is pulling us down, we will have to repair that and clear that cobweb of our mind, not clearing that person. Others we cannot correct. We can't change the atmosphere, circumstance, things. Change is our side. Change is in our head. Change is in our mind. People we cannot change. So don't go and correct anybody. We will be all the more wrong, okay? Dhyanantvad bhaktam va laghu sukrutavashan martyaloke labhante tasma tatraiva janma spruhayati bhagavan nakago narako va avishtam mantu daivad bhavajalanidhipo taite martyadehe त्वं कृत्वा कर्णधारं गुरुमनुगुणवातायितस्तारयेथाः. Who chanted now? Lalita Ma chanted now? Yes. Okay, Vanne. Number 6. अव्यक्तं मार्गयन्तः श्रुतिभिरपि नयैः केवलज्ञानलुब्धाः.
अव्यक्तं मार्गयन्तः श्रुतिभिरपि नयैः केवलज्ञानलुब्धाः.
Your voice is breaking. Maybe you can face your instrument. क्लिश्यन्ते तीव सिद्धिं बहुतरजनुषामन्त एवाप्नुवन्ति.
क्लिश्यन्तेऽतीव सिद्धिं बहुतरजनुषामन्त एवाप्नुवन्ति.
दूरस्थः कर्मयोगोऽपि च परमफले नन्वयं भक्तियोगः.
दूरस्थः कर्मयोगोऽपि च परमफले नन्वयं भक्तियोगः.
भक्तियोगः त्वामूलादेव हृद्यस्त्वरितमयि भवत् प्रापको वर्धता मे.
त्वामूलादेव हृद्यस्त्वरितमयि भवत्रापको वर्धतां मे. दूरस्थं मार्गयन्तः श्रुतिभिरपि नयैः केवलज्ञानलुब्धाः क्लिश्यन्तेऽतीव सिद्धिं बहुतरजनुषामन्त एवाप्नुवन्ति दूरस्थः कर्मयोगोऽपि च परमफले नन्वयं भक्तियोगः त्वामूलादेव हृद्यस्त्वरितमयि भवत्रापको वर्धतां मे.
Bhattatiri ji is praising bhakti over here. What he is saying, avyaktam margayantaha, those who are going on the unmanifest marga, avyaktaha, nirguna nirakar brahma marga, avyakta, unmanifest, not seen. To that Brahman, Shruti bhihi, by Shruti, by Upanishad, by Vedas, Nayahi, Kevala Jnana Lubdaha. Only by Jnana Yoga, people who are trying to achieve you are in the form of Avyakta, Klishyante Ativa. It is very hardship to get you. Siddhim Bahutara Janusha Manta Evapnu Pante. Bahutara Janusham, too many lives. After many lives, after that only, at the end of many lives only, maybe, probably will get you. Who? For whom? Bhagwan Guruvarappa will be achievable for those people who are on the Jnana Marga, who are struggling hard, studying so much Vedas and Upanishads, and they are not. For us it is very easy, no? We saw one Bhagwan with nice smile, beautiful eyes, this ornament, that we are imagining very nicely, giving our own colors, no end, and we can imagine our Lord. But those who are not having a form in front, avyakta swarupa, then technically, intellectual way only they'll have to understand. If we are talking also like this, people will call us mad. What you're talking, Bhagwan's eye is like that. To another devotee only you can talk, okay? If your husband is not devotee, please don't go and talk to him. He will stop the class. Or he will come and scold me also probably. What are you doing to my family? Sit over there quietly. Now started meditation also. I heard your meditation. What was it? What you are talking? No need to. Those who are devotees, let them only hear. Otherwise, it sounds very useless. So, Klishyante. So, that marga is very Klishyante. 2 lines over. And then, Karma Yoga api durasthaha. Even that goal is very far in Karma Yoga. Parama phalam. So, to reach that Parama phala, that ultimate goal, is very difficult. It's very far in Karma Yoga also. Nanu, ayam bhakti yogaha. Tvamula ruddhyaha. See, but this amula ruddhyaha, it's attractive from beginning only. We didn't know anything. We started learning Narayana. We slowly developed it. It became easier. To build a bond with the Lord became easier. But if some highest Vedanta, some Nirguna Brahman is spoken first only, will run away. It's better I will have. I love my husband and my children. That's fine. I'm doing sincerely my job. This is enough. We will settle with little. But because that was spoken to us, we could establish a relationship, and now we have come so far. What we were, how many years ago we started, I don't remember now when Narayaniam's first class was there. But now, since till 96 Dashakam we have reached, there are some changes that have happened in us. So this Bhakti Yoga, Amula Deva Ruddhyaha, it pleases the heart very easily. And not only that, Tvaritam Bhavat Prapakaha. It leads to you very quickly. Bhavat Prapakaha Tvaritam. Tvarita is fast. Bhavat Prapakaha. So like that, Vardhata me. Let this, my bond with you I have developed, right? Let it increase only from now. This is what is the prayer. Let my devotion to you increase from here. This is easier method. Bhaktadariji is saying. So he's glorifying Bhakti over here. Avyaktam Marga. Yeah, and if you have attended any hardcore Vedanta class, you will feel sleepy only in it. Mind will switch off after 10-15 minutes of hearing, and you will feel it's so heavy and it will get boring, and you will have to, there is so much rukshata in that. Unless your bhakti is strong and you want to know of the Lord through that angle, then the jnana becomes very easy to come. Without bhakti, that jnana becomes only so technical. Then I would have gone to college doing some PhD. You will feel like that Vedanta class goes very dry. Avyaktam margayanta shrutibhirapi na yah kevalat Kevalat jnana is also one vitvaha. Kevalat jnana lubdhaha Klishyante tiva siddhim bahutara janusham anta evapnuvanti दूरस्थः कर्मयोगोऽपि च परमफले नन्वयं भक्तियोगः त्वामूलादेव हृद्यस्त्वरितमयि भवत्प्रापको वर्धता मे. Literally, vardhata me. This is how the prayer should be. Lakshmi. Number 7. ज्ञानायैवाति यत्नं मुनिरपवदते ब्रह्मतत्त्वं तु शृण्वन्. Lakshmi ji.
ज्ञानायैवाति यन्तं मुनिरपवदते ब्रह्मतत्त्वं तु शृण्वन्.
यत्नः गाढं त्वत्पादभक्तिं शरणमयति यस्तस्य मुक्तिः कराग्रे.
गाढं त्वत्पादभक्तिं शरणमयति यस्तस्य मुक्तिकराग्रे.
त्वध्यानेऽपीह तुल्या पुनरसुकरता चित्तचाञ्चल्यहेतोः.
त्वध्यानेऽपीह तुल्या पुनरसुकुरता चित्तचाञ्चल्यहेतोः.
अभ्यासादाशु शक्यं तदपि वशयितुं त्वत्कृपाचारुताभ्याम्.
अभ्यासादाशु शक्यं तदपि वशयितुं त्वत्कृपाचारुताभ्याम्. ज्ञान एवाति यन्तं मुनिरपवदते ब्रह्मतत्त्वं तु शृण्वन्. गाढं त्वत्पादभक्तिं शरणमयति यस्तस्य मुक्तिः कराग्रे. त्वध्यानेऽपीह तुल्या पुनरसुकुरता चित्तचाञ्चल्यहेतोः. अभ्यासादाशु शक्यं तदपि वशयितुं त्वत्कृपाचारुताभ्याम्.
Jnanaya eva. In the path of knowledge, eva alone. For knowledge alone, ati yatnam. Too much effort is needed. Munihi. Muni is Vyasji. Munihi apavadate brahmatattvam shrunvan. So brahmatattvam, hearing about Brahman, shrunvan. Shrunvan means you have to hear from Guru. Then gadham tvatpada bhaktim sharanam ayati. Tvatpada bhaktim, devotion to your feet.
Gadham, intense. Sharanamayati, refuge at your feet. It intensifies. Yaha, whose. Tasya muktihi karagre. Karagre, at the tip of your hand, is mukti. One who is having devotion to the Lord and who is surrendering to the Lord, mukti is at karagre. But going through that jnana margana, that is a little tougher road. Then, twadhyane piha tulya punaha asukarata chitta chanchalya hetoho. Chitta chanchalya. Mind is chanchalya hetoho. Because of mind being not so very stable in meditation, in which? In that jnana marga. If we have to sit on that avyakta and all, it's tough to meditate. Directly we cannot go to an avyakta meditation. Suddenly, if I've you said you will close the eyes and your meditation is saying, but you're not talking, I don't see any light. Where I have to focus? No, nowhere, no light, nothing. We see Bhagwan only. We have to have a form only first. So what first we did? We did a saguna, sakara, dhyana, we did. Identifying easily in the meditation. Okay, Bhagwan's Makara Kundala, we can imagine a Makara Kundala. Kaustubha, we can imagine one Tulasi Mala, we can imagine a Pitambara. We did Saguna Sakara Dhan. Then our that small Krishna, big Krishna, Balakrishna, whichever form, whichever size, whatever age of Krishna we have picked, whatever. Then we expanded to the cosmic form now. We reached there by the end of the first week. Same Krishna. Easy, because now we have developed a bond. So tomorrow, if I have to make it to a Nirguna Nirakara, it's going to become easy because now you know the same Krishna who is in the cosmic, who can also be Nirguna. But without developing the bond and not knowing what is Avyakta and who is not having shape, form, any quality, where you will meditate? How you will establish a bond? So that becomes a very tougher journey, that kind of a meditation. But this kind of a meditation, this is my Guru Bhairapa. This I can meditate. I can imagine, I can give colors, I can add sweetness, I can make him my personal, I can see him, he seeing me in my meditation. But what acknowledgement I will get in a Nirguna Nirakara? I don't get acknowledged. So I'm not yet ready over there. So this path becomes easy. Chitta Chanchalya hai, if too much tough Vedantic meditation is taught first, Nirguna Brahma, nothing will go in the mind. Meditation will become a flop show only. Means instead of meditating on the Lord 25 years ago when I married, it will start. Who said this and he said this and she said this and this had happened. Anything will start. Boss said this, that project was actually mine, but how the boss told and he gave it as his presentation, but I gave this, anything will come up in the meditation. Why? Because mind is not stuck on where you can relate. Where we take a topic which we cannot relate, we zone out and we build our own wherever we can zone on our weaker points. So, Abhyasat Ashu Shakyam. So, with Abhyasa, with repeated practice, Ashu Shakyam, this is easily possible. What? Vashayitum. This can be mastered easily. Right? Now, at the end of the week, earlier we were not sitting for meditation. Now it's been 1 week. You told when we are starting, we are going to do for 5 minutes. But today's audio is more than 20 minutes now. Okay, it is happening. Okay, it is happening. Did I plan that? No, it didn't. But it can happen. So now, which we are not sitting for 5 minutes, now we think 20 minutes have gone past, because we see that audio time duration is so much. Otherwise, we don't know the time also. Ashu Shakyam. Possible. So, Tvat Krupa Charutabhyam, by all your grace. And Charutabhyam, your beautiful form. Because of Lord's beautiful form, I can meditate on it. But because if there's something only jnana and avyakta and all, it's going to get complex and the mind will not engage over there. Here I am able to engage in this moment, imagining the things. It is easy and possible. ज्ञानायैवाति यत्नं मुनिरपवदते ब्रह्मतत्त्वं तु शृण्वन् गाढं त्वत्पादभक्तिं शरणमयति यस्तस्य मुक्तिः कराग्रे त्वद्ध्यानेऽपीह तुल्या त्वद्ध्यानेऽपीह तुल्या पुनरसुकरता चित्तचाञ्चल्य हेतोः अभ्यासादाशु शक्यं तदपि वशयितुं त्वत्कृपाचारुताभ्याम्. In Essence Shastri, that one paragraph is there as a note after the meaning. It is pointed out here that both Jnana and Bhakti should be practiced together, and that one without other will not yield quick results. Bhakti without some knowledge of the Upanishad teaching is likely to degenerate into blind belief, which will either lead to narrow fanaticism or will not be able to withstand the onslaught of adversity. And Jnana without Bhakti will be dry intellectualism and will make the person callous to the sufferings of others. Both are having this. So both extremes cannot go. Midway is only good. Number 8. Lataji. निर्विण्णः कर्म मार्गे खलु विषमतमे त्वत्कथादौ च गाढम्.
निर्विण्णं कर्मयोगे खलु विषमतमे त्वत्कथादौ च गाढम्.
You have karma yoge.
Oh, sorry, karma marge. Sorry, I'll do it again. निर्विण्णः कर्म मार्गे खलु विषमतमे त्वत्कथादौ च गाढम्.
जातः श्रद्धोऽपि कामानै भुवनपते नैव शक्नोमि हातुम्.
जातः श्रद्धोऽपि कामानै भुवनपते नैव शक्नोमि हातुम्.
भूयो निश्चयेन त्वयि निहितमना दोषबुद्ध्या भजंस्ताम्.
तद्भूयो निश्चयेन त्वयि निहितमना दोषबुद्ध्या भजंस्तान्.
पुष्णीयां भक्तिमेव त्वयि हृदयगते मंशु नङ्क्ष्यन्ति सङ्गाः.
पुष्णीयां भक्तिमेय त्वयि हृदयगते मंशु नङ्क्ष्यन्ति सङ्गाः. निर्विण्णः कर्म मार्गे खलु विषमतमे त्वत्कथादौ च गाढम्. जातः श्रद्धोऽपि कामानै भुवनपते नैव शक्नोमि हातुम्. तद्भूयो निश्चयेन त्वयि निहितमना दोषबुद्ध्या भजंस्तान्. पुष्णीयां भक्तिमेव त्वयि हृदयगते मंशु नङ्क्ष्यन्ति सङ्गाः.
This is our description. So, Ai Bhuvanapate, O Lord, Bhuvanapate, Nirvinnaha karma marge khalu vishamatame. Nirvanna, detached. Karma marge, vishamatame. Vishama is tough, extremely difficult. What karma? To do this vrata, to do this homa, to do this yajna in this fashion, get up at this time, follow this routine, this brahmachari, this hahar. So much is there, rules of the Vedic ritual. So it is difficult over there. And I have also become disinterested in that nirvinnaha. Tvat kathadau cha gadham. But listening to your stories, gadham, there is good interest in your katha. And jata shraddhaha. So having deep faith also while listening to your stories that become. And O Bhuvanapate, Aig Bhuvanapate, but Kaman na eva shaknomi hatum. I have interest in you, but Kaman, my desires, na shaknomi hatum. To negate my desires, it's not possible. Such honest. That's why I said this look is for us. We want Lord also, but we want the world also. We want to enjoy, our pani puri, our this and that, a Switzerland trip, our backwater thing. We enjoy that world also. Small successes, some job promotion, nice place to live, this particular car and that particular brand of clothes. We all want, na? Shaknomi hatum, kaman hatum na shaknomi. I'm not able to give up my attachment only to all these things, what worldly things, including my family, children, house, car, everything. Tad bhuyaha, therefore, bhuyaha, again, nishchayena, with determination, with nishchaya, tvai nihitamanaha, fixing my mind, nihitamana, tvai, in you, on you, dosha buddhya bhajam stan. My mind I will again fix on you, and I will see dosha buddhi in all these attachments wherein I'm having desire to do it, but I will try and see the dosha buddhi into it. Their limitation I will try. That sense object will give me limited pleasure. You are giving me unlimited joy. This is bliss. That is ephemeral. I will bhajam stan. I will keep on strengthening that thought in my head. So, what request I'm doing to you is Pushniyam. You Pushna, you nourish Bhakti meva, undi bhakti, tvai hridagate. When you are in my heart, Mankshu, quickly, Nangshyanti, means Nashyati, Nangshyanti. Nashyati, destroy, Nangshyanti, will get destroyed. Sangaha, all these attachments would go. When you are in my heart, so I will seek your devotion so that I will see the limitation in this joy that I am seeking, and it would make me easier or it make me faster. It is not dropping anybody or cutting away the relationship. It is that attachment in the mind. I have attached to that person. That is creating a problem. More the attachment, more that sorrow. What duty we have to perform, we will do the duty. There we are not saying, okay, you close yourself in a room and sit over there in that same house. Not like that. Everything needs to be done now with the understanding. You cannot shut away your spouse or children. But understanding the limitation over there and interacting to them via Lord. You're serving the Lord in them. So you're via Lord, the action should happen, not direct. And the devotion to the Lord will change. The attitude towards the things that we are seeing. Our attitude will change. So asking bhakti. So our attitude towards the things that are having limited presence will change. Nirvindah karma marge khalu vishamatame त्वत्कथादौ च गाढम् जातश्रद्धोऽपि कामान् अयि भुवनपते नैव शक्नोमि हातुम् तद्भूयो निश्चयेन त्वयि निहितमनः दोषबुद्ध्या भजंस्तान् पुष्णीयां भक्तिमेव त्वयि हृदयगते Mangshu nangshyanti sangaha. Oh, we have reached 9, but I have borrowed daily Gita time, 7 o'clock. This time I had planned, but now this time we are not struggling for that time. So, oh, Lord is also now. Okay. Radha Krishnanji, number 9. Kaschit klesharjitarthak क्षय विमलमतेर्नुद्यमानो जनौघैः
कश्चित् क्षयविमलमदिर्नुद्यमानो जनौखैः
प्रागेवं प्राह विप्रो न खलु मम जनः कालकर्मग्रहावान्
प्रागेवं प्राह विप्रो
like that you can start.
प्रागेवं प्राह विप्रो न खलु मम जनः कालकर्मग्रहावा
चेतो मे दुःखहेतुस्तदिह गुणगणं भावयत् सर्वकारीति
चेदो मे दुःखहेतुस्तदिह गुणगणं भावयत् सर्वकारी
कारीति
कारीः
ति
ओ कारी
our
चेतो
N
मे दुःखहे
so kari sarvakari iti uktva. So kari is hrasva and then kari is dirgha only, but iti, so that is becoming like that. Ya has come as a yan sandhi of uktva. Uktva is u and kari is e. Yeah, iti is e, sorry.
चेदो मे दुःखहेतुस्त्वदिह गुणगणं भावयत् सर्वकारीति कारीति.
Correct. Uktva shan. So iti uktva should be there. Later on we will join. So kari iti uktva we can join it, but let us make life simple. Uktva shanto gatastva mama chakuru vibho adrushin chitta shantim.
उक्त्वा शान्तो गतस्त्वां मम च कुरु विभो तादृशीं चित्तशान्तिम् कश्चित् क्षयविमलमदिर्नुद्यमानो जनौखैः प्रागेवं प्राह विप्रो न खलु मम जनः कालकर्मग्रहावा चेदो मे दुःखहेतुस्तदिह गुणगणं भावयत् सर्वकारीति उक्त्वा शान्तो गतस्त्वां मम च कुरु विभो तादृशीं चिन्तशान्तिम्.
So one small incident is mentioned over here. So kaschit, some klesha arjitartha kshaya. So klesha is with the difficulty. Arjita is earned and kshaya, and it is lost. And because of that, Vimalamati, mind has become purified. Vimalamati, Nudyamanaha Janaugaihi, and people have teased or people have troubled. So over here, this, so then second line I'll do, then we will complete that story. Prageva, sometimes earlier, Prag once, eva, Praha, Vipraha, like this one Brahmana has said, Na khalu mama. What did that Brahmana say? It's not mama janaha kala karma grahava. So he's saying, my problem is not janaha, people, kala, the time or the destiny, or karma or actions, or graha or the planet are not my problem. So what is the point over here in first two lines is one Brahmana was there who had earned lot of money. He was a little miser only. He was attached. He was not spending also any money. And with great difficulty, he had a very good bank balance. But then whatever he has hard earned, he lost all the money. So because of that, losing the money, his mind became purified. He was actually miser and collecting. He has given too much importance for that money. But this klesha arjita, whatever with this klesha he had earned, After he lost, then only buddhi comes to him and his mind gets purified. His mind gets purified, all that is fine, but people started troubling him. His mind got purified to that extent where he's not saying the problem is because I lost money, problem is people are the problem, oh my fate, my destiny is only like this, oh my actions are. He's not blaming over there anything. He's saying because of my mind. Because of my mind, I am having this problem. Otherwise, he's not blaming outer circumstances. We are saying, no, because of him, I became like that. Because she did this to me and he did this to me, and because whatever. We talk like this in terms of destiny, people, something. We blame it to an outer circumstance. But his Vimalamati, his mind has become so purified that now he is not blaming people also, in spite of people troubling him. He's not blaming people. Then, Cheto me dukkha hetu. My mind is a dukkha hetu. My mind is the cause of my problem. Tadiha guna ganam bhavayat sarvakari. That mind over here, iha, on this Atman, guna ganam bhavayat, superimposing the gunas and saying this is for the Atma. Now he got the knowledge. This is not, the gunas are the problem, not the Atma is not having the problem. Who is doing this everything is under the effect of the superimposition. Iti uktva, having said so, shantaha gataha, he became calm. And not only that, tvam gataha, he reached you. Mamacha kuru. Here Bhattatiri again say, you make mamacha, you make me like that also. Oh Vibho, tadrishim chitta shantim, that level of mental peace you give me. The Brahmana who has attended mental peace, he attended by hard way, by losing everything, and then getting swear words from people also, getting troubled by people also. After all that, only his mati has become Vimala, right? So Bhattatri is saying over here, you give me that kind of peace, where my mind is not projecting the problem. Because this people, that person, this, not clarify my mind. That means there will be nisangatva will happen. Attachment will not be there. Hoarding things will not be there. If we will check our house, then only we know how many things we have hoarded. If we have to change our house, then we will know. We will find things which we wanted. We want, so we have brought it. Okay, very special for us. God alone knows how many donkey years it is sitting in which corner. We have not even seen it and not even used it. Probably if we are changing our house, it might come, oh, this I wanted. But you have not known for past so many years it is sitting over there. So many things in our house are like that. Hoarding. God alone knows what is the house. It's a storeroom that we have created. Otherwise, like this Vipra, we should see it with a dispassionate eye. That means our hoarding tendency, wanting tendency. If we will see tomorrow one good piece of furniture, we are going to buy that. Why furniture expensive? One small vastram also. Our cupboards are loaded with vastram, but still we will buy. Bank lockers are loaded with gold. We have not worn it. It's in the locker safe. Still we will buy. But one little bhakti, one extra chant, 5 minutes meditation, one extra mala of japa, which comes free, easy, that we don't want. But these are all the methods to purify the mind. We are doing that because mind is acting in the rajasic and tamasic mode. Sattvic mode is less. Sometimes we are in that mode, not always. So the sattvic bhav to increase, we will have to increase our japa and meditation. We will have to increase our chanting. We will have to be in that kind of atmosphere, then that kind of bhav will come. If we will continue to be in the atmosphere that we are now, we will continue to get what we have got now. कश्चित् क्लेशार्जितार्थक्षय विमलमतेर्नुद्यमानो जनौघैः प्रागेवं प्राह विप्रो न खलु मम जनः कालकर्मग्रहा चेतो मे दुःखहेतुस्तदिह गुणगणं भावयत् सर्वकारीत्युक्त्वा शान्तो गतस्त्वां मम च कुरु विभो तादृशीं चित्तशान्तिम्. Finally, we reached our 10th verse of this Dashakam, also 96, also done by His Krupa. Now another story. So this one Brahmana story, another story. I love pragurvashim pratyati vivashamana sevamanaschiranta.
I love pragurvashim pratyativivasamana sevamanaschirantam.
Good. Gadhan nirvidya bhuyo yuvati sukhamidam Shudrameveti gayan.
Gadhan nirvidya bhuyo yuvati sukhamidam kshudrameveti gayan.
Bhaktim prapya purna sukhataramacharat tadvadudbhuta sangam.
Tadbhaktim prapya purna sukhataramacharat tadvadudbhuta sangam.
Bhaktottam sankriyamam pavanapurapate hanti merundhirogan.
Bhaktotam sankriyamam pavanapurapate hantamerundhirogan. I love prakurvashim pratyativivasamana sevamanaschirantam. Gadhan nirvidya bhuyo yuvati sukhamidam kshudrameveti gayan. Twadbhaktim prapya purna sukhataramacharat tatvadudbhuta sangam. Bhaktotam sankriyamam pavanapurapate hantamerundhirogan. Sada sarvatra govinda nama sankirtanam govinda govinda narayana akhila guru bhagavan namaste.
Beautiful. So the last verse. So again one story comes of Aila. Aila is born from Ila is Aila. That his name is Pururavas. So Prak, long ago, Ailaha, this son of Ila, Urvashim prati ati vivashamanaha. Towards Urvashi, he was so much attracted. Ati vivashamanaha, helpless heart going behind her. And sevamanaha chiram tam. He enjoyed her for a long time. Sevamanaha chiram long tam to her. Then Gadham nirvidya bhuyaha. Then what happens? He Gadham nirvidya. He develops now detachment. Bhuyaha yuvati sukhamidam chudram eva iti gayan. Iti gayan. He kept on singing that Yuvati Sukham is Shudram, having such a company like this, enjoying opposite sex is Shudram. Like that, now he kept keeping on singing. How? Because now he developed dispassion. So, Tvad Bhakti Prapya, he attained your Bhakti. And Purna Sukhataram Acharat, with complete happiness. He acharat, he was roaming here and there. Tadvat, like that. Like Pururavas was detached and happily singing your glories and devotion. Tadvat, Uddhuta Sangam, you remove my Sangha. Make me desire free. Make my attachment free. Now I have collected so many things, no? That is out of my attachment and my desire, right? I'm socially active. I want this status. I want this car. I want this dog. I want this kind of a dog house. My house. Everything, huh? Everything. So many things. Plus, plus, plus. So now you Uddhuta Sangha make me free from all these. I want. You make me free from this. I'm keeping on filling my house. Uddhuta Sangha. Then Bhaktottamsam. Bhaktottamam. So make me the best of the devotees. Kriya Mam. You make me that. And then finally, Pavanapurapate. O Guru Vairappa. Hantame Rundhi Rogan. You remove all my diseases. Make me free from ailments, both physical, mental. ऐलः प्रागुर्वशीं प्रत्यतिविवशमना सेवमानश्चिरन्ताम् गाढन्निर्विद्य भूयो युवति सुखमिदं क्षुद्रमेवेति गायन् त्वद्भक्तिं प्राप्य पूर्णः सुखतरमचरत् तद्वदुद्धूतसङ्गम् भक्तोत्तम संक्रिया मां पवनपुरपते हन्त मेरुन्धिरोगान् सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्द नाम संकीर्तनं गोविन्दा गोविन्दा नारायण अखिल गुरो भगवन् नमस्ते. With his immense grace on us, we have completed this dashakam also very easily. God only knows. Previously, we were like borrowing time. Now see how peacefully we are able to do. And we are able to hold the whole dashakam in one go. So we are going to utilize this time for chanting. There were some hands which are raised. Who will get chanting first? They have not got a chance to chant. So Indiraji, you will chant 1 and 2 verse of this. Sita Lakshmi ji, you will chant 3 and 4. Lata Kartik ji, you will chant 5 and 6. Padma ji, you will chant 7 and 8. And Sahana ji, you will chant 9 and 10. We have not got chance to chant. So please do the Parayan.
Well, I start.
Yes.
Tvam hi brahmaiva sakshat paramurumahiman naksharanam akaraha.
So when you stop like that, don't start with Naksharana. Then you start with Ksharana, Nakara. Yes, stopping at Paramurumahiman Aksharanam Akaraha.
Tvam hi brahmaiva sakshat paramurumahiman aksharanam akaraha taro mantreshu rajñam manurasi munishu tvam bruhur naradopi prahlado danavana pashushu chapasurabhiv pakshinam vainateya Teya Naganamastyanantas Surasaridapichas Shrotasam Vishwamurte.
Excellent.
Brahmanyanam balistvan kratushu japayagno japayagnosi vireshu partha bhaktanam uddavastvam bhalamasi balinam dhamatejasvinam tvam nastyantastvadvibhote Vikasadatishayam vastu sarvam tvameva tvam jiva tvam pradhanam yadiha bhavadrite tanna kinchet prapanche.
Super.
धर्मौ वर्णाश्रमाणां श्रुतिपथविहितं त्वत्परत्वेन भक्त्या कुर्वन्तोऽन्तर्विरागे विकसति शनकै सन्त्यजन्तो लभन्ते सत्ता स्फूर्ति प्रियत्वात् मखमखिलपदार्थेषु भिन्नेष्वभिन्नम् निर्मूलं विश्वमूलं परममहमिति त्वद्विबोधं विशुद्धम् ज्ञानं कर्मापि भक्तिस्तृतयमिह भवत् प्रापकं तत्र तावत् निर्विण्णानामशेषे विषय इह भवेत् ज्ञानयोगेऽधिकारः सक्तानां कर्मयोगस्त्वयि हि विनिहितो ये तु नात्यन्तसक्ताः नाप्यत्यन्तं विरक्तास्त्वयि च धृतरसा भक्तियोगो ह्यमीषाम्
ज्ञानं त्वद्भक्ततां वा लघुसुकृतवशात् मर्त्यलोके लभन्ते तस्मात् तत्रैव जन्म स्पृहयति भगवन्नाकगो नारको वा आवेष्टं मान्तु दैवात् भवजलनिधिपोतायिते मर्त्यदेहे त्वं कृत्वा कर्णधारन् गुरुमनुगुणवातायितस्तारयेथाः अव्यक्तं मार्गयन्तः श्रुतिभिरपि न यः केवलज्ञानलुब्धाः क्लिश्यन्तेऽतीव सिद्धिं बहुतरजनुषामन्त एवाप्नुवन्ति दूरस्थः कर्मयोगोऽपि च परमफलेनान्वयं भक्तियोगः त्वामूलादेव हृद्यस्त्वरितमयि भवत्प्रापको वर्धतां मे
ज्ञानायैवाति यत्नं मुनिरपवदते ब्रह्मतत्त्वं तु शृण्वन् गाढं त्वत्पादभक्तिं शरणमयति यस्तस्य मुक्तिः कराग्रे त्वध्याननेऽपिह तुल्या त्वध्यानेऽपिह तुल्या पुनरसुकरता चित्तचाञ्चल्यहेतोः अभ्यासादाशु शक्यं तदपि वशयितुं त्वत्कृपाचारुताभ्याम् निर्विण्ण कर्म मार्गे खलु विषमतमे त्वत्कथादौ च गाढम् जातः श्रद्धोऽपि कामानैः भुवनपते नैव शक्नोमि हातुम् तद्भूयो निश्चयेन त्वयि निहितमना दोषबुद्ध्या भजंस्तान् पुष्णीयां भक्तिमेव त्वयि हृदयगते मंशु नङ्क्ष्यन्ति संगाः
कश्चित् क्लेशार्जितार्थक्षयविमलमतिर्नुध्यमानो जनौघैः प्रागेवं प्राह विप्रो न खलु मम जनः कालकर्मग्रहा चेतो मे दुःखहेतुस्तदिह गुणगणं भावयत् सर्वकारीति उक्त्वा शान्तो गतस्त्वां मम च कुरु विभो तादृशीं चित्तशान्तिम् ऐलप्रागुर्वशीं प्रत्यतिविवशमनः सर्वमानश्चिरं तां गाढं निर्विद्य भूयो युवति सुखमिदं क्षुद्रमेवेति गायन् त्वद्भक्तिं प्राप्य पूर्ण सुखतरमचरत् तद्वदुद्धूतसङ्गं भक्तो तं संक्रियामां पवनपुरपते हन्त मे रुन्धिरोगान्
सदा
सदा
सर्वत्र
सर्वत्र गोविन्दनामसङ्कीर्तनं गोविन्द गोविन्द नारायण अखिलगुरो भगवन्नमस्ते.
awesome, awesome. Good to hear you, Sahana. I must tell about my call. With your permission, I'll tell. I didn't know Sahana was in Canada. I called her. She picked. She talked very smilingly because it was 3 a.m. in the morning over there when I called. And I was so feeling for what I had called to console or to disturb, and it was happening opposite. And she said, "No, that's okay." With smile, she said it was all okay. Will we take anybody's call at 3 in the morning? And then smile also and talk normal also. That is Sahana. Standing on Guruvayurappa's power. So nice. My God. Yes, okay. We have some more time, but it's okay. For a change, we have finished before time. Let's dwell on this, and then we can also ask always like what she has chanted now, Tadrushim Chitta Shantim Machakuru Vibho in that 9th verse. May it happen. Next we'll go for Uttama Bhakti Prarthana. Uttama Bhakti Prarthana, and then comes the favorite Guruvayurappa Namaskara will come at 98. So tomorrow we'll go for 97. Next week 98 and 99, and there we will reach at 100 slowly. Okay, so with this, let us pause for today. Those who have not yet joined for meditation, do join and do it, because it's all Narayaniya meditation only happening. It's just developing. Only 3 weeks, out of which 1 week is over. Then next week, and then by the time we'll reach the 3rd week, that 100th Dashakam will come. So let's grow in that Narayanian Bhav. The last 10 Dashakams are so beautiful. It just uplifts. And then there is memorization also happening. So please join that also. When we keep chanting, now this batch has memorized Rasa Panchaka so beautifully. From the sleep, you can wake up any one of them and ask, and they will just chant. Especially 69 Dashakam, it's on everybody's tongue tip. My God, the whole Rasa Leela, not mine. I'm talking about those who have memorized. I'm least in the ring of that, but it's so beautiful. So y'all also please join. Try to memorize. Try to read it. The more you read Narayaniam, the more you will get the sense of it. This is the ultimate. So don't ask me after this which text. This is it. And this only we'll have to follow. And this only we'll have to take it inside. And Bhagavatam is happening on Friday. So 18,000 verses where Narayaniam, 1,000 verses, I don't know how many years we have taken to complete it, on the way of completion. But something which is doable, one must do in life, this lifetime. And like Narayaniam, nothing will be sweeter. Everything is there. And now you're seeing how much Vedanta is coming now. Bhakti is there, Srushti Utpatti is there, Bhagwan's Varnanam is there. Whatever we need to know about life, everything is there in Narayana. So don't miss the chance to chant, make it a routine. Every day 5 Dashakams or 10 Dashakams or some routine should be there on daily basis to chant it. Otherwise it will not. So let's end today's session. Meet tomorrow again. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Sada sarvatra Govinda Nama Sankirtanam. Govinda Govinda Narayana Akhila Guru Bhagavan Namaste.
So for Narayanian batch, this meditation started, which is going on as meditation on Bhagavan. But Eknati Bhagavad, people are waiting since long because the meditation thought came in Eknati Bhagavatam class. Meditation on Shat Chakras. So the chakra meditation was supposed to happen. Then I think Nikhila ji or somebody said, we're traveling. I said, no, it is going to happen late only. But then that is going to happen. Then Gita class meditation. So now day after tomorrow we are entering chapter 6 in Gita. 5 chapters have been completed. There again now it's a dhyana yoga coming. So after the Shat Chakra meditation, Gita meditation will be there. So those who have not yet joined the group, do join. In the group it happens. On our own, it doesn't happen that easily with regularity. Some days we do, some days we don't do. So somewhere if we bind. So now it is a 21-day thing for Narayan until we complete our Narayan. And week is gone. Today is the 6th, tomorrow is the 7th day since we start that. So please hold it on as it slips off easily. Okay, thank you so very much. Hari Om everyone for joining. See you all tomorrow.
Hari Om. Thank
Hari Om,
you.
my
Hari Om,
sweet
Varsha ji.
Hari
Hari
Om.
Om. Thank you, Dr. Varsha.
Thank you so much.
Hari Om.
Hari
Hari
Om.
Om.
Varsha ji. Thank you so much.
Hari Om.
Thank you, Varsha ji. Hari Om.
Hari Om.